This 5-minute solution will show you how to create stickers for WhatsApp on iPhone. So if you're an iPhone user, then you can easily create a sticker for your WhatsApp. First of all, make sure to update the iOS 17 or iOS 16. Now open your Photos app and open the photo that you want to convert to a sticker. Now long press on the photo and tap on copy. Once it's copied, now go to your WhatsApp, open the conversation where you want to send the sticker. Long press on the typing box, tap on paste, tap on send, and here you will get the sticker preview. Tap on send to send the sticker. So this is how we can create WhatsApp stickers with iPhone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.